Patrick at Classic Party Rentals in Virginia. I hope you're having a terrific day, and the holidays are upon us. Between Thanksgiving and Hanukkah and Christmas and Kwanzaa and New Year's, we got them all coming up right on top of each other. So we've decorated our showroom for the Christmas holidays, and we're excited to show off some new things that we've gotten. Todd, our in-house maintenance and carpenter, has made us, because we've been good little boys and girls here over at Classic Party, some new farm tables. So we've showcased one here. The legs fold up underneath. It is a Tuscan oak color, very, very, very pretty for any of your indoor or outdoor needs. We absolutely love it. They've also got some new Birchwood Chargers on the table. It just looks really, really, really great. A little darker and moodier for the holidays, but a lot of you have darker dining rooms in that. Mix and match your china. If you have plenty of dinner plates, but if you want to add something really, really pretty for your desserts or dessert display that you're doing, these kind of emulate little snowflakes. That's why I chose them there this year. Give us a call. Thanksgiving's around the corner. All those other fun holidays. If you want to add to your china, stemware, flatware needs, let us know. We'll be glad to help. We also have tons of linens to add that special holiday decor to your individual party theme. Again, Patrick over here at Classic Party Rentals would love to hear from you. 804-743-7980 or call my friend Martha over in the West End store, 270-9544. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.